blue collar workers, man. You think we have it easy? You look at our shit and like, wow, damn, that's nice. I wish I had something like that. Oh, you got it so easy. No, the fuck we don't, bro. You think blue collar workers got shit easy? No, they had to work for that shit. They had to wake up nonstop every day, time after time again. Work endless hours of overtime, nonstop, hours away from family, losing their friends, leaving their wife and children behind if they have them. And you think that they got it fucking easy? Nah, brother, you don't understand, bro. The money's good, but the mental health is horrible. You know, we have to wake up every day and put a fucking smile on our face and remind ourselves that we're doing this for them, or we're doing this for our future for them. You don't fucking get it, bro. Don't look at somebody else and judge them before you know what they've been through, because they got it 10 times worse, sometimes worse than you know it. Learn to be nice to everybody. Thank you.